Imagine a vehicle that combines the thunderous power and prestige of a Bugatti with the comfort and freedom of a luxury home on wheels. That's exactly what the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome brings to the road. And what sets it apart, in a way that leaves every other motorhome behind, is its revolutionary hybrid hyperdrive performance system. This isn't just an RV. It's a performance masterpiece that feels like a Chiron wrapped in a 5-star hotel suite, tearing down highways with the grace of a private jet and the heart of a beast. The moment the ignition is engaged, you're not simply starting a drive. You're awakening a fusion of intelligent performance and advanced mobility. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome doesn't rely on traditional RV engines. Instead, it's powered by an 8.0-liter quad turbocharged 16 hybrid system, a marvel adapted from Bugatti's hypercar DNA, now tuned to propel a full-sized luxury motorhome. With over 2,500 horsepower of raw, precise muscle, the acceleration is unlike anything you'd expect from a motorhome. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. Yes, a motorhome. That kind of thrust typically belongs on the racetrack. But here it's been engineered for the open road, delivering an adrenaline-fueled journey no matter where you're heading. But performance isn't just about speed. It's about control, smoothness, and response. That's where Bugatti's adaptive air suspension system steps in. Whether cruising through the Alps or gliding down a coastal highway, the vehicle adjusts in real time, adapting to terrain and weight distribution, ensuring a driving experience that's smoother than most luxury sedans. And while most RVs struggle with hills, curves, or weather, the Bugatti Motorhome dances across landscapes with a kind of effortless agility, thanks to active torque vectoring and predictive traction algorithms that feel more like piloting a jet than steering a land vehicle. And yet, all this power doesn't mean compromise. Bugatti has also infused this machine with sustainable consciousness. The hybrid system not only reduces emissions, but also allows for full electric, short-range driving, perfect for urban zones or quiet night arrivals at a remote destination. Silent mode engages, and this 40-foot superhome glides in quietly, respectfully, ready to unfold its next level of comfort. It's not just how fast it goes, but how smart it is. The AI-driven powertrain learns your driving style. After just a few journeys, it begins to anticipate your habits, your preferred cruising speeds, how you approach turns, how you slow down before traffic or accelerate out of curves. This machine becomes an extension of your own instincts, subtly adjusting throttle response, suspension stiffness, and even weight balance without you having to lift a finger. And while the outside exudes aerodynamic elegance in a carbon-titanium blend, with its flowing contours and LED-laced precision, the real magic is felt behind the wheel. The driver's seat isn't just a seat, it's a cockpit, sculpted for comfort and domination. Digital instrumentation wraps around you, giving fighter jet levels of situational awareness. Augmented reality windshields project real-time data across your field of view, route optimization, speed overlays, and performance metrics, while adaptive, HOD technology keeps your eyes locked on the horizon, undistracted and in command. This is the kind of feature that transforms driving into a symphony of motion. You don't just go places, you arrive. And with every mile, there's this constant reminder that you're not in a machine. Made for transport, you're inside a masterpiece. Created for conquest, there's no rumble, no hesitation, just flawless, intelligent propulsion guided by your will. It's control, it's power, it's grace, all working together in a way the motorhome world has never seen before. So when people ask what makes the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome the top tier of mobile luxury, the answer is clear. It's the unmatched fusion of Bugatti's legendary performance and futuristic AI hybrid technology. It's what happens when you don't compromise between power and peace, between speed and comfort. It redefines what a motorhome can be, not just a way to travel, but the way to live in motion.